Today we're going to fix this dent without doing any kind of painting or body work in order to show you the real results of paintless dent removal when it's performed at a high level. Hey everybody, Bryce with Central Florida Dent Repair back again. Today we are in the Villages in Florida, and we have a 2018 Chevy Sonic. This brand new vehicle suffered a little bit of damage on the left fender. Lady was a little skeptical about the paintless dent removal process, but I reassured her that this would be the absolute best solution for this vehicle, being that it is so new. So I'm going to pan around here and show you what we have. Alright, so you can see where a golf cart actually scraped up against this fender. Luckily it was plastic that did this, but you can see the energy transfer just kind of stopped right there and left a nice buckle in the panel, causing a misalignment with the fender and door. But that should come back towards the end of the repair once all the tension is, or pressure is released out of this panel. And we're going to focus on that front section first. You can see that that arch is really bent in. That's the most challenging task here that we have to perform. And there's a couple body line areas that are affected as well. And rather than respraying the entire front end of this vehicle, she's going to live with some touch-up paint. She has it available for me at the time of the repair. I'm going to apply it as a complimentary to the dent repair service, and we'll keep you posted on the status here. Okay, I've just about reached the halfway mark on this Chevy Sonic repair. Coming out great. I'll pan around and show you the progress. Okay, so here we are, maybe about 50% of the way with this repair, and you can see that it's a little choppy and weighty in the reflections here, but that is completely normal during this stage of the repair. And you can see that there are a couple little minor scuffs in the paint. We will probably resort to doing some minor polishing, and then if we need to get a little bit more aggressive, we'll do a little bit of wet sanding and then polishing. But it has her goal from the beginning, as she stated to me. She wanted to keep this vehicle as original as possible, being that it is so brand new. Super low mileage on this car. She didn't want to change anything about it if she didn't have to. She could live with a slight little scuff here or there, she told me. And we were able to achieve that. And this is about maybe the 80% mark here, which you're seeing. And we're going to come back and show you the result. Hey guys, success on this 2018 Chevy Sonic fender repair here. I'll pan around and show you the final result. Okay, so after about maybe 4.5 to 5 hours on this repair, it is completed. We touched up the bare areas with touch-up paint. We did a little bit of minor wet sanding and polishing. This fender is as good as new. She was extremely happy in the end. Another happy customer using the paintless dent repair method. If you have any general questions about paintless dent removal, feel free to reach out at 386-216-5185. Or if you'd like to set your appointment up today, log on to cfldentrepair.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.